Walk through the shadows where the cold winds cry. Every tear got a story, every scar asks why. Moonlight bleeding through the cracks in the sky, and the scent of your sorrow still never dies. I wrote my pain on these broken pages. Now the words sound trapped inside iron cages. Cathedral echoes in my restless mind. Your ghost in the silence, impossible to find.
From these trembling pages awakens the perfume of grief.
Smile on my face, but the darkness stays. Lost dreams scattered through these empty days. Every hallway whisper your forgotten name. Every memory burns like blackened flames. Should you return through these haunted walls, you hear my soul when the silence calls. Time froze cold and the stars turned gray, but your scent in my lungs never fades away.
From these trembling pages awakens the perfume of grief.
Layer choir stringed harmonies, massive guitar sustain. Bass fades into ever-sowing static.